What's going on, guys? Quick little update here. Got it all back together. Surprisingly, still waiting on the ECU, but here she is. RS4 Yoshi pipe, full exhaust. We got the IMS tank. I'm actually in the process of posting that video. It kind of turned out like, well, shit, because that's actually more of a pain in the ass than I expected to be. We got the seat concept seat on here. We got a rack, warp 9s. So, I don't know if you could tell, but the brake isn't on there. It's actually tied up here because I didn't have the correct bracket from them, apparently. They sent me a number 11, I needed a number 20, but pretty quick and easy. You just take the bolt off there, take your brake bolts off, pull this thing out from the other side, from that side, and there, the tire comes off. The back is a little more difficult. If keen-eyed viewers caught this, I had to zip tie this because there's really not much room in there. You know, if I didn't zip tie it, it was actually touching on both sides. But yeah, in the rear, a little more difficult because you got your chain, but not terrible. Getting the bolt through was actually the hardest part, and then you just gotta make sure you adjust it and everything. But let's hear this bad boy start. So you guys heard it with straight pipe. Let's hear it with the RS4. Full Yoshi, like I said. No ECU yet, so it may sound better soon, but let's give her a crank. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you in the next one.